Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video I'm very excited because we are gonna test little cosmetics and I bought a palette and I'm very excited, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so I just received the order that I placed on Black Friday from Little Cosmetics. I bought a custom palette and we are gonna arrange the shades and swatch them and we are gonna do a look afterwards, and I'm so excited. I want in 2022 to test more indie brands, and this one is from Europe, so it's more accessible to me. So yeah, let's get rid of this packaging and then we are gonna swatch everything and show you what I bought. Okay, so these are all 12 shades. They look beautiful. And of course I bought an empty palette to put them in there. But these are magnetic, so I can poke them from here and put them in other palettes at any time, which I adore. The only thing that I'm not in love is that this palette is pre-made for these shades. I would have liked to be without these walls, so I could put anything in here. I want to buy anyway a magnetic palette just to create some color story in there, but yeah, I would prefer this one to be that. So let's arrange them a bit and then I will swatch them and tell you the names of the shades. So I don't know how, but I bought 6 mattes and 6 metallics, which is great. I like that. And let's start by swatching them. I'm very excited. This is Limbo and I will swatch it. It's very creamy and very easy to pick up. It's a champagne shade, but it's very sparkly. Next one is a matte and is more of a pink nude and it's called this is hard to pronounce. Archetype. Yeah, that. I will list them down below. The mattes are very creamy as well. So this is the color. It's exactly what I like. I really like colors like this. It's more of a skin tone color. Very beautiful. Next we have Covet, which is beyond beautiful. And it's very sparkly. Oh, look at that. Very creamy. I love it. And the last one from this row is a mustard, which is called Esteem. All of these names are so hard to pronounce for me, but it is gorgeous mustard. I'm very excited to use this mustard with this brown and maybe any shimmer. The next color is a light purple and it's called Release, and it's another matte. All of these mattes are so creamy and pigmented, and of course this one is a lighter purple, but it's so beautiful. Next we have this blue purple. It's like a blue gray shade with some purple. This is called Deceit. Again, I will list down below the names. Pronunciation is what I find the hardest in English. The next one I think should be my favorite. It's called Revolve and I'm so happy with this color. It's so beautiful, you know, purple is my favorite color. Of course, I love all colors, but purple has my heart. Look at this. The next one is the dark brown, and this one feels a lot creamier than the charcoal blue shade. The next one, I already know, it's called Sigil. This name. It was the yummiest green in there and it's so blinding. Next we have Equilibrium, which is a dark tealy shade but still shimmer. This one is very pigmented and very creamy. Next we have this one, is called Inertia. Again, very creamy. And the last one is called Aether. Again, very, very creamy. This one is a bit more blue, and this one it's a true green. And this is my color story. I'm so happy with it. They are looking amazing. And let's put them into the palette. Okay, so this is the palette. I love how in here it says, don't be afraid to color outside the lines, which it's so cute. And this is the color story that I created, and I think it's beyond beautiful, and the swatches are in here. Yeah, just let's move into the eye look. Let's put a bit of powder under the eyes first. And let's prime the eyes as well. So you are seeing now the Christmas tree in the background. For the next couple of videos, it will not be there because I pre-filmed a bit of videos. But I'm filming this video and it will go live in maybe 2 days. So yeah. I'm pre-filming videos, nothing new. So this is the palette. I need to decide what I'm doing. I need to do green somewhere. Let's start with something we are gonna see because I have no idea what I want to do. Let's start with this Morphe M514, and this one, it's a bit scratchy, at least it was, but I just clean it and maybe now it's a bit softer. We do have a bit of kick up in the pen, if you can see it, but it's fine. Usually good pigmented shadows have a bit of kick up, and this brush, it's fine, but still a bit scratchy. It's becoming scratchier and scratchier. Oh my god. Oh god, I'm not using that anymore. I'm taking this Revolve brush and the same shade. This is blending very easily, and it's a lot darker than I thought. Of course, I'm building it up, but that's great. I'm taking this brown, and in the next year, I really want to create a lot of palettes. And now that I have these singles as well, I have more options. And I'm very, very curious what I'm gonna create and what palettes I'm gonna do in the next year. Okay, so something like this. I want now to take the bluish shade, this one, and I'm using the same brush. I'm picking just a bit, and I will put it right beside the dark brown. And I really don't think I have something similar to this one, because it's purple with some blue, but it's very neutral, and I don't know, I really like it. Let's move into the lower lash. I'm taking this very tiny brush, and we are using the matte teal green, and I'm running this on the lower lash. And this matte is very pigmented as well. I'm really impressed. Let's use this mustard as well, just a bit in the inner part in here. I think I used all of the mattes except this purple, which is weird, so let's use it somewhere. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, so let's move into the shimmers. I have a crazy look, I don't care, I just want to use everything. I just put both of these shades on the lower lash. They don't show very, very well with this brush, of course, but it's fine. I put them there. They are there. Let's use a small brush like this one and this shade. I will put it over the mustard, which I don't think is the best idea. Maybe like this, it will show more of the gold reflexes. I think I can use all the shades from this palette. 12 shades on my eyes, great. I'm gonna put this on the outer corner in here, then into this, and then into this one. Crazy look, but I'm using all of them, so I'm gonna have a bit of fallout because these are very, very shimmery. But look at these, oh my god, it's madness. And these are so textured and I'm really impressed. in the shadows, man. Let's use the last shade and into the inner corner. I'm just brushing the excess off. Look at these colors. I have no words. I'm really impressed. I will put on the Rare Beauty mascara and a green on the lower lash. And if you think the look is crazy right now, wait a second. I'm putting these crazy lashes on. I tested them yesterday just to see how they look, and they are madness. So we are putting them on today. Let me put that on and I will zoom you out and be right back. Don't worry, I will not fly away with it. So lashes are crazy, but the star of the show is the eyeshadows. But I like everything. The mattes were very blendable and buildable and pigmented. The shimmers are beyond beautiful, and the packaging is beautiful. And on the side they have a lot more colors than this, of course. And I paid for the fast shipping and it was in here in 1 week. So I think that's decent because it was with Black Friday, so a lot of orders. But yeah, I'm really impressed. I like the look. Of course, I will wear them more and tell you my opinion afterwards. But I'm very excited to pop this out and create other color stories. And these lashes, oh my god, these are Lunar Beauty Nova. First of all, they touch my brow, but not even that. They pass my brow. They are like here. They are crazy. I don't know if you can see, but they are like here. I think I'm gonna wear them in videos, but no way, I'm not going outside with this. So this was the video, guys. If you like it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.